Hey, today we're gonna do a nature vid episode inside the house. It sucks! Oh, we just got a Pikachu! Woo!
Wait, I got an idea. This is gonna be a really short one.
Oh, he fails with the nature vid Pikachu!
Pikachu!
Fails again!
Wait, I want one more try. Pikachu! I don't choose you!
You failed!
Orange! Annoying orange, I choose you! What the? No, sticky monkey! I choose you! Oh my god!
You failed!
Flying dolphin, I choose you! Ah!
You failed again!
Perry, I choose you! Oh my... Sonic, I choose you!
Sonic. You keep failing.
I don't even know what this is! I choose you! Oh! That has been our nature vid. Bye.
And almost done. It's my turn to throw Pikachu. See ya. Whoa, don't hit me with an axe. I can just break this axe with my hand. Wait, no, don't stop it. Now nature vid me. Ha, I can get, no,